So now I will introduce our system, which is Cyber Cafe Building Management System. Uh, our team is built by Adam bin Baharuddin, Amreish A, Umapathy, Ahmad Shazlan bin Bahri, and Tan Zhi En. What is the Internet Cafe Building System used for? Actually, this system is a client-server application that's designed to manage computer station and building. Its core function is automatically locks and unlocks computer based on user login and available credit. So the reason that we make this system is this system can actually make the workflow easier for the owner and give customer control their time. Besides that, our system will contain two interaction model, which client interaction model and admin interaction model. For client, customer can log in themselves uh, to check the balance and also check how much the time would left. Uh, for admin can manage all the computer in one place. They can add money to each account and check whether all the PC is using on.
Okay, for part 2, I will explain the system objective, key features, and overall workflow of our cyber and billing system. The main objective of the system is to automate the management of cyber cafe operations. First, the system allows real-time tracking of customer sessions on each computer. This helps ensure that usage time is recorded accurately. Second, the system calculates billing automatically based on the duration of usage, which reduce manual calculation errors. In addition, the system improves efficiency for staff by reducing paperwork and simplifying the monitoring of customer and computer usage. Finally, the system generates structured data that can be used for reporting and decision making. The system includes several key features, which can be divided into four main components. First is user management, where customer can register and log in, and admins can manage system access. Second is session management. The admin assigns a computer to a customer, and the system tracks the session in real time for start to end. Third is billing and payment. The system automatically calculates the total cost based on usage duration, and payments are recorded in the system. Lastly, the system provides monitoring and reporting features. Admin can check computer status and generates reports such as session records and total revenue. The system workflow starts when a customer registers or logs into the system. After that, the admin assigns an available computer to the customer. Once assigned, the session begins and the system automatically tracks the usage time. When the customer finishes using the computer, the session is ended and the system calculates the total bill. The customer then makes payment and a receipt is generated. Finally, all session and payment data are stored into the system for reporting purpose.
Now, I will explain the system outputs, stored records, and reports generated by our cybercafe system. The system generates several outputs such as session duration, total billing amount, and payment confirmation after each transaction. It also shows the computer status, whether it is available or in use. In addition, the system stores important records, including customer details, session data, and payment information. These records are used for tracking and generating reports. The system provides several reports to help monitor operations. The transaction report shows all customer sessions and their duration. The revenue report displays total income from all sessions. The computer usage report shows how each computer is used. These reports help the admin analyze performance and manage the cyber cafe more efficiently. This slide shows an example of a daily session report generated by the system. It includes customer ID, computer ID, session time, duration, and billing amount. It also shows the total session and total revenue. This makes it easier for the admin to monitor daily activity.
So now this is the final part of our presentation, and I'm going to talk about application of OOP objects. Our system is developed using object-oriented programming concepts. OOP allows us to organize the system into structured components called classes and objects. The approach improves code reusability, maintainability, and also scalability in the system. The system applies several core OOP concepts. First, we use an array of objects to store multiple customers and computers efficiently. For encapsulation, important data such as customer balance and session time are kept private and accessed through controlled methods. In terms of association, a customer uses a computer while a session is tightly linked to a customer. The system also uses inheritance, where a general user class is extended into two, which is admin and also customer classes. Finally, polymorphism is applied in functions such as calculate payment, where different types of customers may have different billing logic. Yeah. And now for our advanced OOP features. Exception handling is used to manage errors such as invalid login attempts and also insufficient balance. This ensures the system to be stable and user-friendly. Other than that, we also have security features such as login authentication and also role-based access controls, which the system can also log activities for monitoring purposes. So we have reached the end of our presentation for the group proposal. Thank you everyone for your attention.